Now we introduce a three-way pallet truck with a rider-type design. The steering wheel can be pulled out or pushed in using our control. The display can show the direction and position of the wheels, making it safer to operate the equipment. There are several cameras here. Cameras can help us avoid all blind spots while driving. The camera at the tip of the fork can better identify and position the cargo for lifting. We can't move forward unless our feet are on the safety switch. This can help prevent potential safety hazards.